Welcome. If you want to make chatting on Discord easier and more hands-free, setting your input mode to voice activity is the way to go. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable voice activity mode on Discord so you can talk without needing to press any buttons. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Tap on it. This will open up your user settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Voice. Tap on Voice to open the voice settings page. Here, you'll see a variety of options that let you customize how you communicate on Discord. Next, look for the option called Input Mode. This is where you choose how Discord picks up your voice. Tap on Input Mode, and you'll see two choices: Push to Talk and Voice Activity. For a hands-free experience, select Voice Activity. This setting allows Discord to automatically detect when you're speaking and transmit your voice to your friends or teammates. No need to hold down any keys or buttons, just start talking, and Discord will do the rest. After you've selected Voice Activity, you can adjust the sensitivity slider if you want. This lets you control how much sound Discord needs to hear before it transmits your voice. Slide it left for more sensitivity, or right if you want Discord to ignore quieter sounds. That's it. You've now set your input mode to voice activity. Enjoy seamless, hands-free conversations while gaming, studying, or just hanging out with friends. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Discord tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.